Hello, today we are playing Motorcycle Ride to Land. Very small controls. You know, I like how you can actually pass people, so if there's like somebody stuck, you can actually pass them like this dude. Like, why is nobody going? This is like another game I've played before. Except it was cars. I'm gonna try to take a shortcut. I might have just taken a longer way. I think I might have. No, I took a shortcut. I'll try to take as much shortcuts as possible. No, I got stuck. Okay, finally. Please subscribe if you were watching. Trying to get more subscribers. Dang, that was tight. I see people over there. Haven't seen people in a long time. Still a long way ahead of me. Oopsies. Don't know what I'm supposed to do, so I'm just gonna go through here, and I think that's the right way. The other one's just an oval. Oh crap, I lost it. Okay, we're just gonna try to walk it now. Hopefully there's like a leftover motorcycle somewhere. This might take a while, so I'm just gonna talk about stuff, I guess. What's this call button? It won't, when I hit it, it doesn't do anything. Oh, it's the people that make color your block and stuff. There's land up there, hopefully I can get something. Oh gosh, I almost just jumped off. Just gonna walk it. Oh, almost went off again. My goal is to not let anybody pass me. I don't see anybody behind me though. I see somebody like way back there. They don't know where to go on that part. Oh. It looks like we're almost there. I assume it's that one, not that one. That same person's stuck. They don't know where to go. I see somebody way up there. Got a long way to go. You can imagine how that. Well, I got disconnected. Thanks for watching.